Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel as ABG Defi. Like and subscribe. Comment below if you don't like it or not. Turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get to the clip. Alright, kid, let's see something good. Yo, Dexter wrote this blunt, bro.
What's up, YouTube? I'm about to show you Willie in.
Yo, wrote this blunt, bro. Let me get out the way, y'all. Oh, look at him. Woo! Woo! Yo, finesse that shit, bro.
I can't.
What you mean? You can't? Your hands warm enough, nigga.
Your hands warm enough too.
Yo, I'm about to pick up the black though. Yo, I'm about to try the death spin. On the shitty ass bike, man.
What's up, YouTube? What's going down, man? Like, comment, subscribe, man. Doing pranks, we doing all that, man. Just let me know what y'all want to see in the comments below.
See, y'all, this is the shitty ass bike, man. But something is something, bro.
Add my boy on Instagram, ABG Defi. Add him on YouTube, ABG Defi. Shout out to One Willie K. Shout out to One Way Corey. Shout out to Lil Harry. Them niggas nice, man.
Woo!
Wish I could be on their
Let's
level.
go.
Be on their level.
ABG, man. Shout out to my boy One Way Corey, man. Freaking, Lil Harry, Willie K. Conrad, whatever how you say your name, bro. You know how it go, man. Shout out to all the people that are to the bike.